So now we'll be doing general setting. So here for making this changes in setting, just you come here on the setting option and you have to select general, right? So once you select general, some information will be coming here. So this is the site title name, right? So here it is coming Wix. So while installing WordPress, we set this name, and anytime or if you want to change your site title, right, so simply you can come under the setting option and you can change the site title as well. Tagline, that means if you want to give some punchline for your website, right, or some tagline, simply you can come over here and you can set this your tagline vessel. Okay, then after you have to set your email address. So just to check your email address, it is okay or not. So then here that means it's a membership, so anyone can register or not. So it is up to you if you want to that. So people should come and they can register in your website. Simply you can click over here or check mark over here, and this is the new user default role subscriber. So if you are assigning any role, so what the role you are assigning to the people, so like that way you can select from here. Then site language, so by default it is United States, so let it be. Then you have to select a time zone. So time zone, just select the Indian time zone. So India time zone, it's UTC plus 5:30. So just will be selecting UTC plus 5:30. Okay. Then this is the date format. So it is coming like this one. So you can choose according to you, and time format the same. You can select according to you. Then come on the week starts on. So generally the week starts on Sunday. So you have to select. So all the general setting we have done. Just have a look over here, and after completing all this thing, don't forget to click on save changes. So once you click on save changes, all the things you have made changes over here, it will be saved.